The quest for perfection connects the people who own a Lange Söhne watch with those who create them. In our Frankfurt boutique, you can really feel this connection. Hello, my name is Hersi Mohamed. I'd like to welcome you to a.lange Söhne's new boutique in Frankfurt. Immerse yourself in the world of a.lange Söhne. The wall of parts shows our attention to detail. Here, much of what otherwise remains hidden inside the movement becomes visible. Our dedication to handcrafted perfection. Learn more about our brand's history, which goes back to the year 1845. Get familiar with our philosophy and experience the passion for our masterpieces. It's our ambition to never stand still. Therefore, I'm delighted that a.lange Söhne is also present in Frankfurt. My team and I look forward to your visit.